Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to make a party rental website. So for this one, we are going to use Wix or Wix Studio. So what we're going to do now is we have to open any of our web browser and then we just have to visit the Wix website. Okay, so using the search bar at the very top, you'll then just have to type out Wix Studio or Wix.com. Okay, so here I'm just going to type out Wix Studio and then you'll be able to see this website. So you just have to click on this one. Okay, so right here, Wix Studio deliver brilliance smash deadlines. So yeah, we can now start creating our rental website or our party rental website. Okay, so when you scroll down right here, you'll be able to see the overview of this tool. Okay, so here we have this details, so we don't need to go through this details anymore. So let us proceed now to the pricing first. Okay, so when you click on the pricing, you have to select the site that you want to upgrade. So for example, this one. So there is a specific payment for each of your website. Okay, so choose the right Wix Studio plan for each client. So we have here Enterprise, Elite, Plus, Standard, and Basic. Okay, so for the basic, we have this features. So we are going to pay for about $12 per month, and for the standard, we have $20. For the plus we have $32 per month, and for the elite we have $149 per month. So if we choose to use the plus plan, so just have to click on the select option. Okay, so after selecting your plan, you will then just have to proceed to the payment process, and then you'll be able to upgrade your site. Okay, so since we are going to use the free plan here on Wix, now let's go back here and then make sure to log into your account. So just click on the start creating after logging into your account. Okay, so just clicked on the start creating option or clicked on the My Workplace option. Okay, and then you'd be directed to your site, so you'd be able to see here all of the sites that you have created. Now to create a new site, all you have to do is to click on the create new site option at the top right of your screen. Okay, so click on this one, and then we are going to use the Wix editor. So you can start with Studio Template, Studio Blank Canvas, or start with the Wix editor. So here if you choose a template, so yeah, you just have to use the search bar at the top and search for a specific template that you want to use. For example, party rental, you'll be able to see here the result for that specific template. So for this video, we are going to focus on how we can create a party rental website using the Wix editor. So click on the create new site once again, and then click on the use Wix editor. And then here you just have to bring your ideas to life with AI. So you just have to tell them about your site you're creating, and then get personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. Okay, here we can start chat or set up without a chat. So here, what type of website do you want to create? So I'm just going to type it right here. Maybe party rental website or party rental company. So you just have to click on it and then just click on continue after that. Okay, so once done, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds while they are preparing your dashboard. And here to start setting up your store, you just have to give a store a name. So you can create a new one or use a name you already have. So you can skip this part if you want to and then click on continue. Here you already have an online store. So here if you don't have, so you just click on the no, I'm just starting out, and then just click on continue. And then what kind of products are you selling? So since we are offering services, so just clicked on the services and then clicked on continue after that. So here, how are you offering your products? So of course it should be in person. Okay, and then clicked on continue, or you can also skip this part for now. Now that you're all set, head over to the dashboard to finish setting up your site. Okay, just wait for a couple of seconds and then it redirected to the setup section. So before designing our site, we have to set up our payment methods first. So in order for us to receive booking onlines or payment onlines, we have to set this up first. Okay, so just click on the setup payments option. Okay, that's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be redirected here on the payment section. So the availability of the payment options will vary on your region. So currently I am in the Philippines, so I only have this payment options. But if you wish to use credit cards or debit cards as a payment method, so you have to change the location. So of course, it should be the location of your business. Okay, so say for example you are from USA, so you just have to click on the region or the country, and then you just have to use the search bar and then select your country or your region. And then here, as you can see, we can now accept debit or credit cards in Wix. Here, connecting to the right provider, you just have to read these notes. And then if you are not selling any of these prohibited products, so you just have to answer the question below. So you just select the no, I do not. So continue connecting with Wix payments and then click on accept and continue. Okay, and then after that, here you just have to select how customers can pay. So Wix payments give their customers the ability to pay online and in person. So we have credit and debit cards right here. We have Apple Pay, Google Pay, Afterpay, Affirm, and Klarna. So you just have to toggle the switch on for this one if you want to include them. And then after that, just click on continue. And of course, you have to remember that in order for you to accept payments online, you have to upgrade your plan. To upgrade your site with a business and e-commerce premium plan to start accepting payments with the specific payment methods that you have selected. So just click on the upgrade option and then it redirected to the section where you can create or select a plan. Okay, so assuming that we are done with our payment options, so let us now proceed and then design our rental or party rental website. So just click on the design site option at the top right of your screen, and then right here you can start with generating a design with AI or customize a template. So what we're going to do here is to browse thousands of designs, then pick one to customize. So just click on the pick a template option. Okay, and then you'd be directed to the section. As you can see at the top at the search bar, we have here the party rental company. So here, when you click on the search button, you'll be able to see here all of the related templates for your website. So what you can do here now is to view each one of this template, and if you found the template for your website, you just have to click on the edit option. Okay, so for example, this one. I am going to view this one first before editing this one. I need to check if all of the features that I need for my party rental website are here, so I am going to use this. So let me just find another theme, I think, or another template. Okay, so I think this one is good, so let me just view this first. Okay, and then let's look at the services. So I think this one is good. So what I do now is to click on the edit this side option at the top right of your screen. And here the left side you can add elements. Add section, we have pages and menus, add a sign, add apps, and more. So yeah, right here let me just zoom it to 100% and start customizing this website. So we can start by changing the images, changing the color of the background. We can also add here our own images. Okay, but let's focus first on how we can add our own service. So here, what we can do now is to change the background first, and then here you can choose to change the color, add your image, or add a video. So here I'm going to change the image. So of course you have to upload your own media or upload media from your computer, or you also have the choice if you want to use media from Wix. So I'm just going to use media from Wix, and then using the search bar, I'm just going to type out party rental or party. So you just have to select the relevant image, and then after that just click on choose background. And as you can see, we have successfully added here now our image. Next is, change the text. So let's not focus on those things right now, but you can just customize this template. Okay, so the next thing that we should do now is to add the services. Okay, so here you can also change the logo, so you can upload your own logo right here at the top left. Here, let's go to the book online section. So when you go to the book online section, you'll be able to see here now the services of this template. Okay, so what we are going to do is to add here our own service or the services that we are offering. Just click on manage services, and then you'd be directed to your dashboard. And here on your dashboard, you'll be able to see here the templates that you can use. And of course, you can also start from scratch or use the search bar at the top and then search for that specific service that you need. So we have here private party, event consultation, online party coordination, or you can also start from scratch. So I'm going to use this kids party. Okay, and then after that, you can now go here for the service type. This one is appointment. So for the service details, we have here the name, so kids party, and then if you would like to change the cover image, you just click on the pencil icon, and then here you'll then just have to proceed to the background section. So this one at the very bottom at the left side, so you just click on the background, and then you just have to select or upload your own image. So just click on this blank option, and then you just have to upload media from your computer or use media from Wix. Okay, so I'm just going to use media from Wix and search for kids party, and yeah, just have to select the image that you think is the best for your site. After that, just click on choose file, then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then you just have to adjust the opacity to 0 to make your new image visible, and then click on save after that. And then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be able to see here now your image. Next one is the tagline. So give a quick intro to your service, and then for the description, describe what you offer and what clients should books. Okay, so you can also generate AI description for this one. So here we have the service name, and then what would you like to customers to know. So for example, a friendly invitation for kids or 2 kids. Okay, and then after that, just click on create text, and then if you think this one is good, so just click on use, and you'll be able to see here now the description of this service. Now for the duration, maybe 8 hours or 10 hours, so it depends on you. And then here for the buffer time, if you'd like to add a buffer time, so maybe 10 minutes would do. And then for the price and payments, choose how clients can pay for this service. So we have per session, we have with a plan, we have per session or with a plan. Okay, so next one is for the price per session. So for the price type, we have fixed price, and then for the amount. Okay, so maybe I'm going to type out right here like 5,000 pesos, or it's up to you. Okay, so this one is just an example. And then after typing out right here your amount and then the price type, you can now proceed to the payment preferences. Okay, so for the payment preferences, you wanted the entire amount online or entire amount in person, so it's up to you. Next one is the location, so this should be the client's place or your place. Okay, so it will depend on the party rental service you're offering. And then here, just have to choose the staff members who will offer this service. Okay, next one here is to add a cover image in a photo gallery, and then just click on the add cover image option. So here you can upload your own image from your computer or use media from Wix once again. So I'm just going to type out kids party, then I'm going to select all of the cover page or the cover image that I need, and then add to page. After that, here for service gallery, so just click on this plus icon to add your service gallery right here. Then for the booking preferences, so if you would like to add a booking policy, you have to take note that you have to subscribe to a plan in order for you to access this feature. And then if you would like to edit the form, so just click on edit form. Then after that one, here you have your booking request. And then after finalizing the details, just click on save. Okay, and then let us try to see if we have successfully added our new service. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have this service now. So when I scroll down, you'll be able to see the book now option as well as the details of the service. So I'm just going to preview this one and then click on the book online. Okay, and you'll be able to see here now the price of this service. Okay, so let me just go back right here, and then here you just have to select a date and time, and then here for the time zone, so you just have to select your time zone after that, and then select the available time. And then here for the service details, we have this one. Then after that, when your customers click on next and you have upgraded your plan to a premium plan, you'll be able to receive booking online for your party rental website.
So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.